Certainly, to captivate and compel people to seek your attention actively, mastering these 12 techniques can be highly effective. Here's a breakdown of how each technique works. Number 1. Cultivate an air of mystery. How it works: create a sense of intrigue by being a bit elusive, hinting at exciting things to come. This can make people curious and eager to engage with you to uncover more. Example: share cryptic messages or partial information that leaves people wanting to know more. Number 2. Demonstrate unmatched value. How it works: show that what you offer is exceptionally valuable or unique. When people perceive high value, they're more likely to pursue your attention to benefit from it. Example: offer exclusive insights or opportunities that they can't get elsewhere. Number 3. Build a strong personal brand. How it works: develop a distinctive and memorable personal or professional identity. A well-defined brand attracts people who want to be associated with or learn from you. Example: consistently share your unique perspective and achievements in your field. Number 4. Showcase social proof. How it works: use testimonials, endorsements, or visible success stories to build credibility. When others see that you're valued by peers, they're more inclined to seek your attention. Example: highlight testimonials or case studies that reflect positive experiences with you. Number 5. Leverage reciprocity. How it works: offer something valuable without immediate expectations. This encourages others to reciprocate by seeking more interaction or providing their attention in return. Example: provide free advice or resources that are useful, creating a natural inclination for them to engage with you more. Number 6. Create an exclusive experience. How it works: offer special access or limited opportunities. Exclusivity can make people feel privileged and eager to gain or maintain access to you. Example: invite a select group to exclusive events or offer limited consultations. Number 7. Showcase expertise. How it works: highlight your specialized knowledge or skills. When you demonstrate clear expertise, people are drawn to learn from you and seek your attention for guidance. Example: share insights or advice in your area of expertise through articles, talks, or social media. Number 8. Engage emotionally. How it works: connect with people on an emotional level. When you make a personal or emotional connection, people are more likely to seek and value your attention. Example: share personal stories or demonstrate empathy in your interactions. Number 9. Be highly responsive. How it works: quickly and thoughtfully respond to interactions or inquiries. A swift and considerate response makes people feel valued and encourages them to seek your attention more. Example: answer questions or acknowledge messages promptly and attentively. Number 10. Create compelling content. How it works: regularly produce engaging and relevant content that resonates with your audience. High-quality content keeps people interested and coming back for more. Example: write insightful articles, create captivating videos, or share interesting updates related to your field. Number 11. Build a community. How it works: foster a sense of belonging among your audience. People are drawn to communities where they feel included and valued, increasing their desire for your attention. Example: develop forums, groups, or social media communities where people can engage and interact. Number 12. Emphasize scarcity. How it works: highlight that your time or offerings are limited. When people perceive that something is scarce, they are more likely to value and pursue it actively. Example: announce limited time offers or limited availability of your services. Using these techniques thoughtfully can create a dynamic where people are motivated to seek and value your attention, enhancing your influence and engagement with them. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our Stoicism playlist and for more videos that will help you find success and happiness using ancient philosophical wisdom. Do not forget to subscribe. That was my contribution. Thank you very much.